Hey friends, Andrea here with another pro tip on how to use the website. Okay, so another great way to stay connected and to work with members is to connect with them. So hopefully you have created a member profile. Once you've done so, I actually have two. I have my personal and I'm also admin. I can go through and hit connect. So Carla, I'm connected with. Sarah's ghosted me. No, Sarah's hopefully going to connect with me soon. So I'm going to connect with Camila. And really, every single time I go on, I scroll through and see what new members have joined on. And I hit the connect button. Rita, I'm going to connect with. And once you connect with them, you can actually rate things on their walls. I don't know if it's called a wall here. Let's see. Connected, connected, connected. All right. I'm going to send a message to my dear friend Alyssa here. So I can click on Alyssa's profile, learn all about Alyssa. In her timeline here, I can say, hey, Alyssa, using you as a test. Nope, not test. Using you as a dummy. No, that's mean. I may have to do this again. Using you as an example. Thanks. Post. All right. So that is how to connect with other members and send them messages. You can also send them a message through the option here as well. Thanks. Bye.